Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, girls. Today the next topic is rollover relief.
I got a question, ma'am. Yesterday, you gave the question 7 and question 8. We were about to start, and then you said to check it as a homework. So,
Yes.
can you solve? Do you have the answer for?
Send me your answer. I will check it and I will tell you.
Okay, so it was a question 7 or question 8 you were talking about yesterday.
Just 1 minute. That is question 7.
7, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. After the class, you have to send me and I will check it. Okay.
Okay.
Rollover relief. When this relief is available, firstly, this rollover relief is available to businesses. It is a business relief. Businesses will get the rollover relief. Okay. So rollover relief is a business relief. When land and building, land and building, land and building is a business asset. Plant and machinery is also a business asset, and goodwill is also a business asset. So what is the meaning of business asset? Land and building, plant and machinery, goodwill. If you will sell these three things and reinvest the amount to purchase new land and building only, sell any of the three, but you have to purchase new land and building, then rollover relief will be available. Rollover means you can defer the gain of these three things. For example, today I am selling the plant and machinery, right?
Yeah.
So disposal proceed is 100,000 and cost, I purchased this plant for 50,000 and the chargeable gain is 50. If you will reinvest the amount to purchase the new land and building, for example, land and building cost is 70,000. So tell me, whenever you will sell anything, but new must be land and building purchased, then rollover relief will be available. Then this gain 50,000 will be deferred, rollover. But how much gain rollover? It depends on how much proceeds are reinvested. In this case, 1 lakh is the proceed and you are purchasing new asset for 70,000. Full proceeds reinvested or partial? Partial. So how much gain will be rollover? It will be balancing figure. Chargeable, now you have to calculate through the lower of formula. Lower of number 1 gain 50,000 and number 2 cash in hand 1 lakh proceeds received minus 70,000 is reinvested. So 30,000 is cash in hand. Lower of is 30,000. So on 30,000 you have to pay CGT now immediately, and the balance 20,000 figure of the gain will be deferred, rollover. If today we decrease the cost of land and building by the rollover relief, mean deferred gain 20,000. If we decrease the cost today, future gain will be increased automatically. So base cost of new land and building is how much? 50? Whenever you will later dispose the land and building in future, you will use this base cost. So it means today I am deferring the gain of old plant and machinery, and when you have to pay the tax on this gain, whenever you will sell the land and building in future. Done?
Yeah.
That is a rollover relief. So rollover means anything. Anything mean land and building, plant and machinery, goodwill. Anything you have to sell, but you must purchase new land and building only, not plant and machinery. Okay, only land and building must be purchased. So
Ma'am,
rollover
sorry.
relief.
Can you tell me again the rollover relief, the which is calculated by, is it lower off? We calculated
Yes,
by.
lower of gain. And number two, cash in
Yes.
hand. Cash in hand means DP minus reinvestment. Obviously, the remaining figure is cash in hand.
Yeah. Okay.
So 30,000 is in your still in your pocket, cash in hand. So tax
Yeah.
department will charge the tax now, and the balance figure of the gain 20,000 will be rollover. Therefore, okay, if full
Okay.
proceeds reinvested in this case, for example, I am changing the example. For example, in this case, I am purchasing the new land and building for 1,20,000 pound, not 70.
Mm-hmm.
So full proceed reinvested or partial?
Full.
Full. It means full gain will be roll over 50,000
Yeah.
and chargeable now 0.
Zero.
So base cost 120 minus 50. What is the base cost? 70,000 in my
Yeah.
case.
Yeah.
That is the rollover relief.
Okay.
Next topic. Next topic is holdover relief. Holdover relief. Holdover mean anything you are selling. Anything means it is also a business relief. Just like rollover relief, it is also a business relief. Businesses will get this holdover relief. The condition is if you will sell the plant and machinery, land and building, and goodwill. Anything you will sell, but you have to purchase new plant and machinery only. Then holdover relief will be available.
Mm.
Rollover is new land and building if you are
Land.
purchasing. Holdover is anything you are selling, but new plant and machinery,
Plant.
depreciating asset. Plant and machinery mean depreciating asset you are purchasing. So holdover relief is available. That is the difference of the rollover and holdover, right? In
Yeah.
rollover, new land and building you are purchasing. In holdover, new plant and machinery you are purchasing. These names, if given in the exam, you will have to say that it is a rollover or holdover, right? In holdover means the gain will be freezed, not deferred. It is freezed. For example, old plant and machinery, land and building, goodwill, anything you are selling, the gain of these things will be freezed. And when this gain become chargeable, earlier of any of the event, earlier of one, if 10 years has passed to purchase the new plant and machinery, means for example you are purchasing the new plant and machinery, and if 10 years from the new asset, from the new asset mean plant and machinery has completed, then this previous gain will become unfreezed and CGT apply. Or number two, if new asset mean new plant and machinery is sold, whenever you will sell it, the previous gain, freezed gain become chargeable. Or number three, if business use of the new asset mean new plant and machinery, obviously business use of new asset is seized. Seized mean business use is seized. So the previous freezed gain become unfreezed and chargeable. Please hold on 1 minute.